Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Excel Pro Tips. We are looking at working smart today because working smart is working fast, and working fast is working productive, and working productive is more moolah in your boss's pocket and not yours, but that's okay. We won't get cross about that. Let's work smart. If you have repetitive tasks to do in Excel, use macros and don't be afraid of them. I'm going to make this an introductory course to macros, right? The easiest way to implement a macro. Let's do that. If that will be okay with everybody. So let's think. How are we going to implement a macro? Say now you've got this list that we do have here, a working list, right? And you need to do various things with this list. Let's think if we're going to do, okay, so from the basic to the more advanced, let's just do this, okay? Your boss wants you to take this list, or you want to have this data, and you want it split across sheets that is named differently, separate sheets, but then every time there must be something done with this data, right? So you need to basically copy all of the data to a new sheet, and then copy all of the data to a new sheet, or you can just copy the sheet. That's not a good example. Trying to think about what we can do. Right, whatever it is you must do, that you have to do. There's a quick way of doing it. Say, I want to copy all of this data to a sheet. No, I want to copy this column and this column only and that column, and then I need to do some things with it. So what you do is you enable your developer tab, right? This is the first step to macros or VBAs. Enable developer. How do you enable your developer tab? You right click on your ribbon there and you select customize the ribbon. Then you give it some time if you have a computer as slow as mine, and then you check here, customize the ribbon, there's developer. This was unticked if you have never enabled it before. Tick it. Tick and OK. Can I also give you a quick extra on the side note? No, I'll do that. No. So now we've got our developer ribbon, right? Macros. If you click on record a macro, it'll do just that. It's going to record a macro. So even though you've got no developer experience, you don't know macros at all, record one. It's just basically going to record whatever you're doing. But there's a cool trick to it. So yes, we want to record it. A macro cannot start, the name of the macro cannot start with a number. It needs to be an alphabetical name. So let's say my Mac1. Huh? Yeah, that's nice. And clever idea to put a description, because at the end you're going to have many macros. So this macro does X, Y, Z, blah, 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 to the data, right? Yeah, that's going to work. Data. Just to give yourself a reminder, because I promise you, after a bunch of these working towards a certain goal, it's going to get messy. So put comments, put a note, right? So it's recording now. Whatever we do, see, it's now, if you click there, it's going to stop the recording. It's recording whatever you do. So what do we want to do? We want to take this column. I highlighted the entire column, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm creating a new sheet, and I'm putting that in, pasting that into that sheet, and I'm going to say paste values only. After I pasted it, I want to sort the data. So now I'm going to say sort and filter, custom sort, and then it has headers, and I want it to sort A to Z. Ah, nice. Okay. So now I'm going to do the very same with the next one. Okay, so now, okay, wait. We said working clever, right? Let's stop there. Let's go to developer and we stop recording. Okay. Otherwise, we're going to do all the work and just record what we are doing, which is not optimal. If you go to macros, and there's the macro that we recorded, and you select edit, you are going to be able to, let me just get you a zoomed view there. You will get to your macro editor. It looks like this. Visual Basic for applications. Don't worry about all the other things. Don't stress it for now. Just check this is what was recorded. And this is almost human readable. It is so straightforward. Look at this, people. Don't get a fright if you do not know coding. just have a look. There's your note that you created when you created this thing, right? The name you gave it, there's the name you gave it. Okay. Well, and this is exactly what you did. So columns I to I. That means the entire column I was selected. That's what you did. I mean, we did. Okay. This is an automatic thing that is generated when you copy. Right? Copy mode false. Don't stress about that. That was on sheet 1, right? So then, active workbook, where did we create the new sheet? Did we create a new sheet? And why is the new sheet creation not included? That's interesting. We must then insert a new sheet. This is interesting, isn't it? Maybe it creates a sheet if you just push that command and it inherently creates a sheet. Because there is a command to create a new sheet, you say like active workbook.sheet and you give it a name. Oh, they just incorporated the sort thing with it. So yes, this created the sheet. Okay, so, and then it pasted what we copied and we sorted it. There's the sorting and we went back to sheet 1. So what we then, in a sense, can do is we can take this and copy it. And after that, we go and we say, but now if I did column I, the previous column would have been J, H, I mean, excuse me, H, select, and we want to copy that to sheet 8, right? Right? Sheet 8, no, not 7, 8, damn it. Let's just make sure this is then 8. And then that's fine, that's where we want to paste it, that's all lovely. We don't want to select sheet 1 again. Why do we want? Oh yeah, we want to, my mistake, sorry. Because we need to have sheet 1 selected when we select the column, so that needs to be done, yeah. Okay, so now that we did H, let's just be clever about this and do the next one. This is for people that do not know VBA or coding at all. I know there's more elegant ways of doing this, and I know there G. I know there's more elegant ways of doing this. This is just if you do not have a clue about VB code or coding at all, then you do it this way. It's very messy, but you know what? I created an entire program using this method and this methodology in Excel before, entire program for an auditor. And you know what? It worked absolutely perfect. So you don't have to know VBA coding to be able to use VBAs. You can just record whatever you did and think clearly about it and hack the shit out of it from there. That's what I would suggest. So let's see. Let's do not do all of them. Let's just do that one, and this should become sheet 10. And let's see. Right. Let's go back. So now you can close this. Let's close it. And let's go to macros, and we see our macro, my Mac, and we run it. Oh, debug. I just want to see paste, script transpose. Oh, that's why it was not copied. So we need to add the copy stuff. Yep. So let's do this. Selection dot copy maybe. No, let's change this. This is not going to be select. This is going to be copy. Sorry, copy. Let's see now. Debug. Still not. Oh shit. Sorry guys. I'll see you in the next one. Guys, I do apologize. I need to run. I will see you guys in the next one. We'll carry on from where we were. It's already been 10 minutes, so yeah. Alright. See you on the next one. Whoops, yeah. Bye-bye.